stones.
Why?
Because I want to hang out with my friends.
Hang out here?
Not around you.
Why, you think you're too cool for me now?
No, it's just...
Fine, I see how it is.
So, can I go?
No, just for disrespecting me, you're gonna stay home tonight and watch Desperate Housewives with me. The brand new episode.
Oh, this stinks. I hate sausages.
I hate sausages. I hate sausages. I love sausages.
You're messed up.
What I do?
Thanks for ruining my night.
Be down.
It's Josh.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Dorothy T. Hey Daryl, guess what? Mommy Pie is pregnant. I mean, look at this. I can't even see my feet. They got like that, like half the floor is gone. You're just jealous. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!
Mom, I know that's you.
You've been a good boy this year, haven't you, Miles?
My name is Josh. And Mom, seriously, just stop.
I ain't your mother. I'm Santa Claus. Ho ho ho!
Oh, really? Well, I got this pack of sausages.
Give me those sausages.
Told you so.
What's the matter with you? Are you stupid?
I wanted you to stop acting like Santa Claus.
What? I'm just trying to entertain you. I am the greatest mother ever.
I'm 18. You can't entertain me anymore.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Mommy, please, don't argue.
You're telling me I can't be Santa Claus?
I'm asking you not to be.
Well, why not? I'm not chubby enough for you.
There is no need for you to pretend to act like Santa, because Santa's not even real.
Take it back.
What?
Santa Claus is real, and you know it.
Yeah, and so is Katy Perry, but you don't see a firework coming out of my chest.
How dare you?
Why do you hate me?
I do not hate you.
You never agree with me.
I made you this whole pot of sausages.
I'm sick of sausages, Mom, and you know that.
How are you sick of sausages? They're amazing.
Every night for dinner is disgusting.
You are disgusting. And the hat makes you look like a little girl.
Well, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt.
Don't be fresh with mommy.
Oh,
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
no, not again.
I'm not trying to be Santa Claus this time, smarty pants.
Then who is it that you're trying to be?
I'm totally trying to be Snooki from the Jersey Shore. Last week, the brand new episode. And let me tell you, she was just, I hate you. And then she's like, but I love you at the same time, and you got garbage in your mouth.
Stop talking! Stop!
What?
Mom, I do not want to hear about the Jersey Shore.
You need sausages.
No, I don't.
You're cranky.
You're fat.
Well, at least I got shape. K90X. One day, every day, for 90 days.
Ew, you're gross.
Any man who does not believe in Santa Claus is gross.
Alright, for the record, his name isn't Sandy, it's Santa.
Sausages.
No!
I made you sausages for your Christmas feast, and you weren't even gonna eat them, and you were gonna eat them, and you were gonna like it. You are gonna like it.
Fine!
I love sausages. Ho, ho, ho.
Look at the giant dog that was spying on us during this video. Hello there, doggy. Look at this other doggy. I love you. Don't chew me! She's following me! Hello there. I love sausages! Even though I am them.
Hey, it's the year of the fish. His name is Leroy, the dead fish. He's beautiful, and he's our friend, and he's melting right on me because he's frozen. And today we're going to have fun with him. Top 10 things to do with a dead fish. Here we go. You a blind fish Leroy. I'm gonna teach you how to bark at the other fish now. Ready? You have to be like, bark, bark, bark. Okay, you try. Good, that's good, that's good. Right here in the Sahara Desert, we got many living life forms. It's beautiful, but it's very hot. I almost just died, but I'm alright. We must search for food. Not much around. But hey, what's this? It's Leroy the dead fish. He's frozen. Fresh, just like a bumblebee. It stung me on the butthole earlier this afternoon. I have something to tell you. You're beautiful. I don't know where I would be without you right now in my life. Your gills, your eyes, your mouth. Wants to kiss you. I would marry you. I would put you if I was right. Leroy, you lobster! How could you kill my best friend? You are a disgrace to my mother, my father, and my cat. And I don't even like cats. Now apologize to my friend. Apologize. Apologize. What's the matter with you? I'm tired of
Good God, you boy.
Have you ever seen a man who was sick enough to kick a fish? I don't think so. It's about to go down here in my hood. Say